discussed the trigonometric functions and Cartesian coordinate systems. So, in this class, we have discussed the trigonometric ratios and trigonometric identities and all other. So, first of all, we have go to the trigonometric ratios. Trigonometric ratios. Before go to trigonometric ratios, we have to use the triangle. Do you know triangle? What is triangle? A triangle is made up of three vertices, three angles and three sides. There are 6 types of triangles. So, by using sides, there are 3 types of triangles, namely, first one is equilateral triangle, equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangles means 3 angles are equal, 3 sides are equal, and secondly, isosceles triangle. Two sides are equal, 2 angles are equal, and thirdly, scalene triangle. Scalene triangle. No sides and angles are equal. Next, do some figure. This is called equilateral triangle. Isosceles triangle. Scalene triangle. By using angles, there are three types of triangles, namely, first of all, acute angle triangle, acute angle, less than 90, all angles are less than 90. ठीक है, एडिट में गया. All angles are less than 90 degree. In case of obtuse angle, one of the angle is greater than 90, and finally a right angle triangle. One angle is 90 degree. Let's do the figure. This one is the acute angle, all are less than 90, and this one is the obtuse angle triangle, one of the angle is greater than 90, and this one is the right angle triangle. This one of the angle is 90 degree. Next, go to trigonometric ratios. So, let us take an right angle triangle, name A, B and C. This one is the base, this one is the height, and this one is the hypotenuse, or it is also perpendicular. Hypotenuse short name is H, base short name is B, and perpendicular means P. So, there are 6 trigonometric functions: sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, sec theta and cosec theta. What is the value of sin theta? If theta be the angle, this one is, let this is theta. The front side will be the, this side will be the perpendicular. That means sin theta equal to P by H. So perpendicular by hypotenuse, and cos theta equal to B by H, base by hypotenuse. and tan theta equal to P by B and cot theta equal to B by P, sec theta equal to H by B and cosec theta equal to H by P. So एटा को आमे मध्य ओडिया रे कहि पारु लोक भूक लघु गुल कभु कल. सपोज लोक भूक लघु भूल कभु कल. देख मुझे ओडिया जो कहली लंब बाय कर्ण भूमि बाय कर्ण लंब बाय भूमि भूमि बाय लंब कर्ण बाय भूमि कर्ण बाय लंब. सो यहाँ ओडिया गोटे रही एटा को मन रखिदेले आउ टोटाटा को मन रही जो किसी असुविधा ना. सो यहाँ हूँ आमर कर्ण यहाँ हूँ भूमि यहाँ हूँ लंब. So what is the relationship between sin, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec? Sin theta equal to P by H. We can already written as H by P. So 1 by cosec theta. H by P means cosec theta. So sin theta is equal to 1 by cosec theta. Similarly cosec theta is equal to how much? 1 by sin theta. And if we multiply this, sin theta into cosec theta is equal to how much? 1. Similarly we can get tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. Cot theta is equal to cos theta by sin theta. Tan theta is equal to 1 by cot theta. Cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta. Cos theta is equal to 1 by sec theta. Sec theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. Sec theta into cos theta is equal to 1. Similarly, we have also write tan theta into cot theta is equal to 1. So this one is the trigonometric ratios. Trigonometric ratios माने कौन कहलो तांको मध्य अनुपात sin थीटा समान 1 by cosec थीटा एटा गोटे अनुपात तो cosec थीटा मध्य सेमती 1 by sin थीटा. Similarly we can write it all the relationship between them. Therefore next go to trigonometric identity. Trigonometric identities. So sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. एटा तुम 10 क्लास रे पढ़ी थिबो ताकू मध्ये हम भांगी कोन लिख परिबा sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta implies sin theta equal to केते होबो 1 minus cos square theta रो root of. Similarly cos square theta equal to 1 minus sin square theta. Cos theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta रो root of. अन्य दुईटी मध्य सेमती रही आम लिखिपारू यहाँ फास्ट रे नेली मु 1 नंबर रे 2 नंबर रे कौन हम sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Sec square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. sec theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta रो root over tan square theta is equal to sec square theta minus 1 tan theta is equal to sec square theta minus 1 रो root over and third रे cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1 cosec square theta is equal to केते हो 1 plus cot square theta and cosec theta is equal to root over of 1 plus cot square theta and cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta minus 1 cot theta is equal to cosec square theta minus 1 रो root over. These are the trigonometric identities. We can also prove it by using trigonometric ratios. Suppose let sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to sin square theta माने previous रो कहली मु just sin square theta means sin theta रो whole square cos square theta means cos theta रो whole square so sin square theta माने sin रो कौन कहूची trigonometric identities trigonometric ratios टा कौन कहूची p by h रो whole square plus एटा होची b by h रो whole square so आको मु प्लस आगो नेबी आको स्क्वायरिंग कर देबी p square by h square plus b square by h square हर समान अच्छी प्लस नहीं गली केते हबो ना h square ऊपर डाई जो p square plus b square हमें जानी चाहिए p square plus b square is equal to केते h square cancel and 1. Let's do the figure. This one is the right, we have to make it right angle. Perfect. Okay, this is the right angle triangle. This one is the base, this one is the hypotenuse, this one is the perpendicular. Suppose this is theta, then we know by Pythagoras theorem p square plus b square is equal to h square. So ये आम कौन कलु फर्मुला यूज करके कैंसिल करके इज इक्वल टू मु नहीं गली RHS एटा नहीं LHS so LHS is equal to RHS root. नेक्स्ट क्लास रे आम पढ़ू द ASTC रूल इन trigonometric functions. Thank you.